What if one single image could turn into an entire cinematic universe without ever losing character consistency? What if you could control power, emotion, and storytelling and generate 9 different cinematic angles in just one shot? Today, I'm turning one AI image into a full cinematic sequence of a dark assassin queen inspired by an avatar-style alien warrior standing in a bright forest with massive clear waterfalls behind her. You can use Gemini, Zine, Midjourney, or Leonardo. For this build, I'm using Higgsfield. Let me show you the exact workflow, but here's the key. If your foundation image is weak, everything collapses. This is your master shot. This locks in her face, her expression, her alien features, her armor, her third eye, her bow design, the daylight lighting, and the vibrant forest atmosphere. Once this is perfect, you never rewrite it. If you want the complete prompts, the 9-angle structure, and all the camera modifiers ready to copy and paste, join our community. Everything is organized there so you don't have to pause and rewrite anything manually. Now let's build this inside Higgsfield. Go to the Higgsfield link in the description. Click on Image, then click Create Image. Paste your master character description into the prompt box. For the model, choose Nano Banana Pro. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Adjust the quality. For this build, I'm using 2K, then Generate. Once your foundation image looks perfect, do not rewrite the character. Now we control emotion with camera distance. Distance controls emotion. If you want authority, use a cinematic eye-level close-up. If you want psychological tension, use an extreme close-up on her emerald eyes or the glowing third eye. If you want scale, use a wide, full body shot with the waterfalls towering behind her. Cut from wide to close-up, and you instantly create tension. Angles control dominance. High angle looking down creates mystery and control. Low angle looking up makes her feel powerful and intimidating. Eye level keeps it neutral. Use angles intentionally. Now let's talk cinematic perspective. Over the shoulder builds tension as she aims her bow into the forest. First-person perspective makes the viewer become her. Bird's eye view shows isolation and scale. Silhouette shots create iconic presence, especially with the third eye glowing faintly in daylight mist. Dutch angle adds instability and tension. Now camera movement. Camera movement changes how your character feels. Dolly means the camera smoothly moves forward or backward. It feels controlled and cinematic. Orbit means the camera circles around her. It reveals power and presence. Handheld adds shake and creates chaos and urgency. Static means no movement at all and builds intimidation and authority. Movement is emotion. Choose intentionally. Instead of generating each shot one by one, you can create a 3x3 storyboard grid showing 9 different camera angles of the same character. This lets you preview close-ups, low angles, wide shots, silhouettes, and POV variations all at once. You don't need to guess which one works. Pick the strongest frame from the grid and regenerate it in high resolution. Now, animate inside Higgsfield. Click your selected image and lock the character in clothing. Modify only the camera instructions. Add your motion description. For example, she slowly pulls the bowstring as emerald energy forms around the arrow, green particles crackling while sunlight reflects off the waterfalls behind her. Settings. Choose Kling 2.6 as the model. Turn audio. Off. Set duration 5 seconds only. Choose your movement style. Dolly for dominance, orbit for a power reveal, handheld for battle intensity, static for tension. Use the 9-shot storyboard grid to explore camera options without changing the character. Test push-ins, side profiles, over the shoulder, and wide hero frames. Workflow. Generate base image 2. Lock character 2. Adjust camera only. Animate in Higgsfield. Kling 2.6, 5 seconds, audio off, 2. Edit into a cinematic sequence. That's not just AI generation. That's AI directing. If you want the full avatar-style assassin queen system, camera templates, storyboard structure, and animation setup, it's all inside the community. Link below. Comment which shot you'd open with. Low-angle dominance, silhouette waterfall reveal, extreme close-up on the emerald third eye. Next video, we might build her hero rival. See you in the next one.
I am the keeper of the ancient woods. Within this forest, magic flows through every living breath.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.